Hey there, it's Brittany and I have an unboxing video for you. These are Ava Motherwell's beads and she asked me to participate in her creative design challenge. So each participant is getting the same beads and it's up to us to create something pretty awesome. So we're tasked with making whatever we want to make and then adding our own like filler beads and findings. And then we send it back to her. And the winners get bragging rights. So I wanted to show you everything that's in the box, and then I'll probably show a video later on of the things that I make. But let's see what's going on here. So I've already looked through this, but I can't remember because it's been a while. These are so cool. So she curates. She has a really nice curated collection that she does take around the country with her to sell at the whole bead show. And yeah, I have some other pieces that I've shared with you from her, but let's take a look. These are silver. These almost look like stone, but with silver and like glitter. And then a very pale purple on the back. Cute little, they almost look like little paint chips to me. Then I am in love with these. She had these in so many colors. Well, I say so many colors, but I actually can't remember. I know she at least had gold, but I just love that glitter. I love it so much. And then some pretty resin cubes. So much fun. I love those stripes. And then we've got a mix here. Of course, I'll link to Ava's stuff online in the description of this box. So we've got some like yummy gumballs. That's what I always call this shape when they're plastic or resin or acrylic or whatever we want to call it. Some coins, some marbling, very deep, rich purple. Some nice rods or tube beads. Ooh, these are nice, some rondelles. I've been trying to think what I'm going to make, and I'm just so intimidated because so many cool people and really great designers are going to be participating. And I'm just, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to make. So the same bead in clear. These are really cool. Some little cones. These are fun. Nice deep raspberry pink. And then some bright red orange coins. These look like Spree, the candy Spree. And then we've got a lot of beads in here. Concentric squares. And they're gorgeous. Look at that glitter. I just love glitter so much. It just makes me so happy. And then this side is clear on top of glitter. So there is a slight difference between this side and this side. Beautiful. And those are actually beads. They're not pendants, but you can make them into a pendant. Then we've got a little plastic horse, or no, unicorn. It's cute. And then we've got a red and black set. Got a nice huge hoop or donut. Look at this guy. This is amazing. I wonder if anybody will do something with that and suspended in the hoop, because that's the first thing that came to my mind. I can't be the only one who thinks that. I just love this. So the sides of this, it almost looks like an eyeball, but the sides of this are matte, and then the middle and the black parts are shiny. And then we've got some really fun black and white, like, these remind me of the Twilight Zone. Now, these, I don't know if they're actually beads or if they're just, because look, the holes are closed. I'm going to have to see if I can find a piece of wire. Wonder if that's just the paint. I'd have to get a bead reamer, I think, and then try and get through that. I don't know. That's kind of solid, and I don't see any holes anywhere else. I don't know. That's the only place that I could think that they would be. So I'll have to check into that. Maybe they're not supposed to be beads. I don't know. And then this huge tube bead. Cute. And then we have some sky blue pieces. We've got 2 drops and an offset. Well, oh, okay, so it goes like this. So this is more of a pendant. Your stringing material would go sideways. Very cool. And then we've got some more donuts in hot pink or neon pink. Very fun. There's so many different ways. Like, even though all these colors mesh together, you could go so many different ways. You could just do red, black, white, and blue, red, black, and white. You could do purple. Like, it's just so cool. I love the different vignettes in these beads. We've got some little Buddhas. And I think I bought these in green in Tucson this winter. These are gorgeous. And then last but not least, some more rings. In clear and pale purple and red. And then we have some sticks. Very cool. This is a really cool challenge. I love the idea. Like I said, I'm intimidated, I'm nervous, but I'm super excited to be included. So I will make sure that I take pictures of my items so I can show you all in the future after the challenge is over. I don't know that I'm gonna film it because I really want to focus on being creative for the item and not just for the camera. So we'll see. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute.